Okay, the next little section is very quick. In fact, it's called an instant chart. Now, this is only applies to Windows machines doing this instant chart, but I'll show you how to do it in a Mac environment, and it just takes, one extra keystroke. The important thing here is an element which you may not be super familiar with, which is selecting non-contiguous cell ranges. Okay, so let's see, we're going to select cells A4 through A28, right? And then in a Windows environment, you select the Control key. In a Mac environment, you select this Command key, which is right next to the space bar. Right, so hit that Command key and then select your second non-contiguous data range, which is going to be D4 through D28. So again, you do this by selecting the Command key and then selecting your second non-contiguous range. Okay. And then, right over here in this textbook, they have you press cell F11 and it'll just magically make a chart for you. We won't do that because this is a Mac. What we can do is, again, go up to Insert and select a chart. And let's select, here we go, just pick the one that looks like what you want it to look like. A clustered column chart. Boom. And there it is. Okay. So there's our chart. We can move it to where we want it. We can name it closing prices. And we're going to move this over here near this other chart of the two lines. We can make them the same size, make them the same width anyways. There it is. All right, so now we're going to save this and we're going to move on to a different tab in this worksheet. Okay, so here's our two charts that we did on these stock prices. We've got 24-month comparison of the sales volume and the closing prices on two different axes. And then we've also got the closing prices just plotted as a column, which really doesn't tell you much, but there it is. That's how you make a column chart.